Welcome back for my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday 10th of December. Looking at cable, sterling dollar has just started to stall a bit actually. 31.75 has been the old May 2019 high, which interestingly enough in the last 3 or 4 sessions has become the basis of resistance. 31.80 yesterday, 31.75 there or thereabouts this morning, and just market just consolidating really. You do have the fact that the market has taken a bit of a view ahead of the election result, which is due sort of early hours on Friday morning for the UK general election. However, in the final throes of this campaign, we're seeing some sort of arguably a little bit of a sort of tightening of the polls, which would be a drag on potential for the Conservatives to have a majority, which if there was say for example a very small majority, it wouldn't really do a great deal for cable. I think you'd probably see it hovering around here or maybe even drift back to 30 figure. A hung parliament, you'd see it sort of in the 27s, 28s area, again maybe even below that. If you saw a large majority, you're looking in the sort of gaining ground towards the sort of mid-30s, sort of 135 area. So you're seeing the market just sort of taking a little bit of caution ahead of this election now, and you may well see that is the case in front of the election. And the result on, as I said, on Friday morning, where you're going to see a lot of volatility, I think. But for now, you're seeing just a little bit of caution coming into cable. I don't really see how the Fed or the Bank of England, well, certainly not the Bank of England, because the Bank of England on Thursday, on election day, is not going to do anything. I mean, if the Bank of England could literally say nothing, I think it would. But yeah, I think the Fed on Wednesday as well, given the strong payroll support and the sort of edging out away from further rate cuts, is likely to again be fairly subdued and quiet, but maybe get a little bit of volatility around that. But ultimately, I think you see sterling trading or cable trading around the UK election on Friday. So a bit of consolidation. Initial support 131 area. Couple of lows there. Actually, I'll show you on the alley chart. A couple of reaction lows around that. So if you saw a breach of that, you'd be sort of drifting back towards 30 figure, which was that breakout level. Now the implied target of this breakout was around about 250 pips, so you could measure that from 30 figure area. So you're looking at 3250, 3260 area as an implied upside target. 3383 is this key March high. But ultimately, I think it's a little bit of a consolidation at the moment. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.